Hello class 6 students, I am your math teacher Nitin. In today's class we will start a new lecture, lecture 2, and we will learn about different figures. Okay, we will learn about different figures. Now the first term is curve. What is curve? Now I will draw in front of you. Let's see, this is curve. This is curve. Okay, any line which is of this form is known as curve. Clear, students? Now second term is closed figure. Closed figure, any figure which is closed by the line segment, or you by any figure closed, that is known as closed figure. Just like here, this is a figure closed by 3 line segment. Circle is a closed figure. Okay, now rectangle, it is a closed figure. Clear, students? Any figure which is closed, which has no opening, any opening, that is known as closed figure. Now what are open figure? Open figure, students, open figure, this is open, this is open. Okay, these are open figures. Let's say open figure. Clear? As the word open means, these figures are open, and these are closed figure. Clear, students? Good. Now what are polygons? Now student, next point is, what is polygon? Polygon means a closed figure by more than 2 line segments. Okay, any closed figure and the line segment should be more than 2, that is known as polygon. For example, triangle, it is a closed figure. You have 1, 2, 3 line segment. Rectangle, square, all these are polygon. Why? Because these are figure made by line segments. Line segments are straight. You see, these are straight. So any closed figure made by more than 2 line segment is known as polygon. Okay, good. Now students, we will learn what are sides and then vertices and diagonals. Okay, these are few terms and I will explain you with the help of diagram. Okay, now let's see. मैंने ये एक फिगर ड्रॉ किया है स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ a point where 2 line meets is known as vertex. Okay, a point where 2 line meets is called vertex. Okay, so a point A is vertex. Why? Because these 2 lines are meeting at one point. Again, B is also vertex. Why? Because this line and this line are meeting at this point, and again this point C, it is also vertex. Why? Because 2 lines, they are meeting at one point. Now what is vertices? Plural of vertex means vertices. The plural of vertex is called vertices, right? Vertices. Clear? This is the plural of vertex. Now what is line segment? What are lines? Sides. Here AB is a side of a given figure, a given triangle or a given polygon. ABC is a polygon. Why it is a polygon? Because it is made up of straight lines and it is a closed figure. Okay, so this is a polygon because it is made up of more than 2 line segment and it is closed also. So this is a polygon and these lines are known as side. So AB is side. Again, BC is also side and AC is also side. Okay, so A, B, C, AB, BC and AC, all these three are the sides of a given polygon. So it is clear, students? Now come to the diagonal. What is a diagonal? Now for this diagonal I will draw one more figure. Suppose this is a rectangle. It is a closed figure. Okay, again A is a vertex, B is also a vertex, C is vertex and D is vertex. Okay, ABCD is a vertex. Now if I join A and C, opposite vertex अगर हम join करते हैं, then not only opposite, अगर आप two non consecutive vertex को join करते हैं, then this line is known as diagonal. So ये वाली फिगर के अंदर बेटा दो डायगोनल है, AC and BD. Okay, we have two diagonals in this figure, AC and BD. Why these are diagonals? Because vertex, एक vertex को छोड़ दो आप, मतलब two consecutive vertex को नहीं, any line joining two vertices which are not consecutive is known as diagonal. Okay, consecutive means लगातार नहीं होना चाहिए. इसके बाद हमने D ड्रॉप किया, C को ज्वाइन कर दिया, AC. D से हमने स्टार्ट किया, C ड्रॉप कर दिया, B, D B को ज्वाइन कर दिया. क्लियर है? सो these lines are known as diagonals. Okay, now students come to the exercise 10 point, no, exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2, page number 126. Now identify the closed figure. Question number 1, identify the closed figure. So you can easily identify the closed figure. A, C and E are the closed figure. A, C and E are closed figure. Okay, clear students? Good. Now come to question number 2, identify the simple closed figures. Simple closed figures are simple closed figure. So B and C. Question number 2, B and C are simple closed figure. Closed figure. Okay. Question number 3, students, exercise 10.2, identify as polygons. आपको polygon identify करना है, and as I told you students, what is a polygon? It is a closed figure and it should be by the line segment. Closed figure कैसे होना चाहिए? By the line segments. Circle में नहीं होना चाहिए, curved lines नहीं होनी चाहिए. Okay, now question number 3, A, first figure A, second figure B and the last D. These are polygons. Okay, so answer is A, B and D are polygons. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4, identify point which are the interior, exterior or its boundary. Okay students, interior और exterior और boundary पे कौन से point है ये हमको बताना है. A, B and C ये inside दिए हुए हैं, point E is given outside and point P is on the line, Q is on the line, P, this is F and this is R. Okay, now this is a figure and you have to tell students which points are interior of a given figure. Interior means जो ये area है enclosed within the boundaries is known as interior. ये जो boundary के अंदर area है, that complete area is known as interior. So first part of my question is name the interior parts. Interior points कौन कौन से हैं student? A, B and C. These 3 points are interior of a given figure. Clear है students? Now second there are exterior points कौन से हैं? You have to find out exterior points. Exterior means outside. आउटसाइड पॉइंट ई है, पॉइंट एफ है, दीज टू पॉइंट्स आर आउटसाइड द फिगर, एक्सटीरियर बोलेंगे इनको, एफ एंड ई, दीज टू पॉइंट्स आर एक्सटीरियर. व्हाट? These are exterior and these are interior. Clear students? Now points which are on the line, and it is clearly seen on the line, point P, Q and R, these points are on the line. Okay, on line कौन कौन से पॉइंट है स्टूडेंट्स? P, Q and R. P, Q and R, these 3 points are exactly on the line. Clear students? Your exercise is completed. Do each and every questions neatly in your copies. Okay students? Good. Now students, we will start exercise 10.3, and we have already done the theory before, so there is nothing to explain. We can directly start exercise 10.3. Okay, now come to question number 1 of exercise 10.3, page number 127. Okay, now first question is, how many angles are formed in each of the given figure? Name all the angles. Okay, first figure is a x y z, x y z. Okay students, this is the first figure. Now in this figure they have asked how many angles. So student, ये जो हमारा वर्टेक्स है जहाँ टू लाइन्स आके मीट करती हैं, दिस इज नोन एज एंगल. ओके, अगेन दिस इज अ वर्टेक्स, टू लाइन्स मीट करती हैं तो ये एंगल बनाती हैं. ओके, अगेन z इज अ वर्टेक्स एंड दीज टू लाइन्स आर मीटिंग हियर, सो वी हैव 3 एंगल्स x, y एंड z. और हम एंगल को किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? दिस इज द साइन फॉर एंगल, एंगल x, एंगल y एंड एंगल z. ओके, all other parts you can do on your own, they are just like this. Question number 1. I will do E part for you. Okay, question number 1, this is A part. E part I will do for you. E part is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is the closed figure, this is the polygon, and you have to name the angles. Name all angles. First angle, as I told you, इधर 2 लाइन आके मिलती हैं, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D, and this is vertex E. One angle is this, second, third, fourth, and the 5th one is this. So how you will write these angles? You will write angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E. Okay, how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 angles are there. Clear hai? So that's how you will do this question. Question number 1, all other parts you do on your own. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 of exercise 10.3, name the vertex and arm shown in each of the given figure. Okay, now you have to name the vertex and the arm. Okay, this is x, y and this is O. Now question number 2, read it carefully. Name the vertex and the arms. So in this figure, as I told you, what is vertex? Vertex is a point where 2 lines meet, 2 line segment meets. So O is the vertex here, vertex is O. Now arm, these 2 line segment which meet at one point are known as arm. So एक arm हमारे पास क्या है? OX and OY is equal to arm. These are arm, line segment जो हमारे पास है, these are known as arm. Okay, second part you do on your own. Question number 2 is completed. Come to question number 3 students, page number 127. In each of the following figure list. Okay, now I will draw the figure in front of you. I am doing the first part, A part. Now the figure is somewhat like this. This is O, this is point L, this is point T, this is X, this is point Q, and this is point R, and this is Y. Okay, and this is point M. In this figure you have to tell, first part is interior. Name the points in each of the following, list the interior points. Interior points students, ये जो दोनों आर्म के अंदर वाला जो रीजन है, this region, this is interior region, and our answer is L, T. L and T are interior points. Are interior points. Okay students. Second part, exterior points. Okay, exterior points Q, M are exterior points, Q and M. Exterior point. Now third part, points lie on the figure. Which points lie on the figure students? See X, okay, and Y. Two such points are there which lie on the line, जो line के ऊपर ही हैं. We will write X and Y lie on lines. Okay, so question number 3, first part I have done, second part you do on your own. It is very similar to these questions. Okay, now student, come to question number 4. Question number 4 is, आपको एक figure given है students. I will draw here. A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C and D, E, F, E, F, P, Q. This is P and this is Q, and this is Z. This is not Z, this is 2. This angle is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, in the given figure write the name of angle 1. First part is write the name of angle 1. Angle 1 is here, you can write it. Angle 1 students हमारा इधर है. Okay, and the name of this point is P. This point is P student instead of this. Now student, this point is P and you have to write the name of angle 1. Now always remember student, हम जिस angle की बात करते हैं, it is always written in between. Okay, so we will write angle E P B. E P B. We are talking about this angle P, तो हम इसको सेंटर में लिखेंगे E P B. Okay, now second part, 2, angle 2. Angle 2 is here, we will write it P and this point is Q C. P Q C, because हम इस angle के बाद, this point is Q. Okay, so P Q C, this is angle 2, right? Now angle 3, angle 3 is this point, so we will write DQF, angle DQF. Right students, हम जिस angle की बात करते हैं, that angle is always written in between these 2 points. Okay, तो जब हम अब understood है कि we are talking about Q. Where is Q? This point is Q. Okay, this angle is Q. Right students, your exercise is completed students. Do each and every question neatly in your copies. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Now students, we will study about different types of angles. Different types of angles. Okay, now the first angle is acute angle. एक्यूट एंगल कौन से एंगल होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? जिनका मेजर, जिस एंगल का मेजर 0 से बड़ा हो और 90 से कम हो। ओके, एंगल मेजर is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. Okay, acute angle कैसा होगा? Just like this, A, B and C. ये जो मेजर है लेट से 60 डिग्री है, तो 0 से लेकर के 90 डिग्री से कम इज नोन एज एक्यूट एंगल। क्लियर है? नाउ कम टू सेकंड is right angle. Now right angle whose measure means value, डिग्री कितना है, whose measure is exactly 90 degree, exactly 90 डिग्री होगा, उसको हम बोलते हैं राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। ओके, right angle, an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is right angle. For example, let's see A, B and C. right angle को हम represent करते हैं ऐसे, this is 90 degree, जो exactly 90 degree का angle होता है that is known as right angle. Okay students, now come to obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, whose measure is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Okay, इसका फिगर हम बनाएंगे स्टूडेंट जस्ट लाइक दिस. सपोज दिस इज 120 डिग्री, A, B and C. So see, this angle is 120 degree, it is more than 90 and it should be less than 180 degree, then angle is known as obtuse angle. Clear students? Good. Now come to the fourth type of angle, that is straight angle. स्ट्रेट एंगल. स्ट्रेट एंगल कौन सा होता है स्टूडेंट्स? जिसका मेजर एग्जैक्टली 180 डिग्री होता है, दैट एंगल इज नोन एज स्ट्रेट एंगल. whose measure is exactly 180 डिग्री. ओके, ये हमने स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ किया, ये दिस इज A, B एंड C. सो दिस इज 180 डिग्री स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, स्ट्रेट लाइन होगा 180 डिग्री. तो क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, 180 डिग्री का मेजर क्या होगा? वो स्ट्रेट एंगल होगा. नाउ कम टू रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल क्या होता है बेटा? an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Okay, for example इस टाइप से. क्लियर है? नाउ दिस इज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. ये वाला जो मेजर है अपर एंगल A, B एंड C, दिस एंगल इज मोर देन 180 डिग्री, लेट्स से 220. ओके, सो दिस एंगल इज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. इट इज मोर देन 180 डिग्री एंड लेस देन 360 डिग्री. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? गुड. नाउ कम टू कंप्लीट एंगल. व्हाट इज कंप्लीट एंगल? an angle whose measure is 360 degree, exactly accurate 360 degree होता है, that angle is known as is complete angle. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने सर्कल ड्रॉ किया है, सो दिस इज 360 डिग्री. 360 डिग्री पूरा कंप्लीट एंगल होता है स्टूडेंट्स. क्लियर? गुड. नाउ द लास्ट एंगल स्टूडेंट इज जीरो एंगल. जीरो एंगल मीन्स हुज मेजर इज 0 डिग्री. जो 0 डिग्री का एंगल है दैट इज नोन एज जीरो एंगल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड different types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, straight angle, complete angle and zero angle. I hope all these angles are clear to you. Go through these angles carefully students. Okay, bye bye, take care.